Vallarta, Mexico. We'll have to do some zip lines.
Woo!
Sorry. Comprende español un poquito.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our adventure, the best tour of the year. Guys, today you're gonna live the best day of your life. Trust me, Mexicans never lie. But first, let me introduce the man in charge of your safety. He's my partner, Captain Ezequiel. Please, everybody, applause for the
Hola.
Hola!
Welcome everybody. Bienvenido.
We're gonna be your bar taxi today, your Mexican over.
Adelante,
Now,
capitán
guys,
Puerto
we're
para
gonna
el
make
14.
45 minutes to our destiny. This is a superpowered plane. 1 million kilometers per hour.
Woo! Bring it on.
Con retorno aproximado 6:30 de la tarde.
Guys, everything gonna fly way up out of the boat, okay? So be careful with your caps, your hats, your glasses, because everything gonna fly away, okay? I'm gonna fly away too. And anyway, if you feel that we don't go much fast, just explain the secret word and we're gonna go slow, okay? Secret word is Paracaricotiribicono. Alright? Guys, we need one more thing to start up your energy. We're gonna do something at this rock this place. My question is, you ready for the adventure, guys?
Woo!
Bring it on.
Yeah, let's go.
Got my hat firmly attached to my head.
Yeah, make sure it doesn't fall off.
I know, if it falls off at this point, then my head is shrinking.